So here you can see I went to my Google Docs and I typed up my little response for my assignment. After that, I went over here, you can follow my arrow, and I clicked share. And I ended up typing in a colleague of mine and shared it with her. She's another teacher, so that she can make some edits and state some of her thoughts on the paper. So once I did that, it sent an email to her to get the document. So here in the tab, you can now see what it looks like once somebody else has edited your paper. So after maybe reading a sentence, you can highlight just the word, or you could highlight the whole sentence. It's really wherever your cursor is, and then you can make comments. So for example, this last comment here is at the end right here where her cursor was, so that's kind of why it's pointing in that direction. And here we go with that one. And then when you click this one, it goes to that classroom. So it's nice to work back and forth with people because you can reply to them, and then once you reply, if you feel like you've come up with an agreement, you can resolve it. I think this is a great way for people to work on projects as a group too, because someone can start out by writing and then someone comes in and makes some comments. So it's a really neat feature that Google does.